What's up, everyone? Today we have the Kyocera S1370 Rally. Once again, it's a S1370 Rally. It's a GSM phone. It's for T-Mobile only, and it's probably the least expensive bar phone, brand new, out of the box, that you can get for under $20 at $19.99. And for only $19.99, it has quite a few features for a $20 or under $20 by a penny phone. It charges by micro USB. It has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and it does have a camera. It's only slightly better than VGA, and a very small inch and a half or so screen, and it does have a slot for the micro SD card and also, of course, for the SIM card. Let's get this puppy started and show you a few features that it does have. I mean, it's got a calendar, some tools that are useful. Of course, you probably can get this unlocked. However, the unlocking dealers I have seen recently, they want more for the unlock code than the actual phone itself. So let's go into the menu, and everything is situated by icons. And of course, you have the web, then you have your contacts, Bluetooth, forgot to mention that earlier, messaging, your missed alerts, history, photos and or videos, settings, and then your tools. And then your tools are going to have your voice memo, alarm, calendar, countdown, your memory storage, how much is left, and how much is in total, voice services, which is voice recognition, basically your driving commands as far as call home, things of that nature. And assigned media, which you can assign pictures and other things to your contacts, calculator, stopwatch, and then just information about your SIM card and a world clock plus a notepad. Like I said, not bad for under $20 phone. And of course, this is 3G, and it's still able to be activated with any carrier that uses T-Mobile, Simple Mobile, and so on and so on. Well, that's it, guys. The Kyocera S1370 Rally. Please subscribe and like below. Catch you soon.